Drop it down a little bit. Drop it down just a touch, see what you have. Drop it down just a touch. Drop it down just a touch.
Going down.
There you go. Okay, good. Come on down. Come on down. What, you just want to leave it there?
Yeah.
That's good enough.
Is that good?
So this is the flexible coupling which gets mounted to the flywheel. It's also, you can see that the front seal is and that shaft are all one.
Okay, good. So we just have an engagement here with the spline.
Yep. And it's got to be somewhat straight so that it doesn't tear up the seal, which is right there.
All right, we can put it back. Thank you.